Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be doing double-digit subtraction with regrouping. That means there's not going to be enough ones and we're going to have to go next door and borrow some from the tens today. We're going to be using the place value method and the expanded method to solve these equations. So we're going to start with our first one. I'm going to be doing the first one on the smartboard. The first one is not on your paper. You're just watching and listening. And then the second one we're going to do at the same time. You're going to watch the video and do it while I'm working. Okay, so let's get started. So our first equation is 62 take away 47. So I'm going to write that equation over here. And then I'm going to draw it using tens and ones because we're doing place value method. So I'm going to draw 62. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. And then we're going to take away 47. So I can take away 4 10 rods, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when I have to come and take away 7 ones, we have a problem. There are only 2 ones. I don't have enough ones to slash out. So what we're going to do is we're going to change one of the 10 rods into 10 ones because it's the same amount. You can either have one 10 rod that's worth 10, or you can have 10 ones that are worth 10. They're both worth 10. So I'm going to color out that 10 rod, and I'm going to do 10 ones instead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just changed a 10 rod into 10 ones. I kind of traded it. I traded a 10 rod for 10 ones. Now I can take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones left. So I have 1 10, I have 10 plus 5 left over that are not crossed out. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now we know that our answer is 15. We're going to come over here and we're going to do it the same way using the expanded method. Now 62 expanded is 60 plus 2, and 47 expanded is 40 plus 7. But we need to remember that we are doing a subtraction equation. So I'm going to draw my line here so that I can see my ones column and my tens. Now I can see right away I have a problem. I have to do 2 take away 7. If I have 2, I'm not able to take away 7. I don't have that many fingers. So this is where we say, if you have more on the floor, you have to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to take a 10 away from 60. 60 take away 10 is 50. And I'm going to move that 10 over here. I already have a 2 over here, so 10 plus 2 more is 12. I took a 10 and I added a 10. I took a 10 and I added a 10. So now I have 12 take away 7. 12 take away 7 is 5. If you don't know how to do that in your head, then you would draw it out with tens frames. Then we have to do 50 take away 40. 50 take away 40 is 10. So I have 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we both have our answer. Now, we're going to do the next problem on your paper, which is 73 take away 48. This one is on your paper, so I want you to get your pencil ready and you're going to do this one with me. We're going to do place value first. So let's do 73 take away 48. And we're going to draw out 73. So we need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3. Now we can take away 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I've got 3 10s left over. But then I need to take away 8. And I look over here, I have a problem. I only have 3 ones. I don't have 8 ones. So that's where we're going to make a trade. We're going to trade in that 10 rod for 10 ones instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I traded a 10 rod for 10 ones. Now I can take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can see I have 2 10s, that's 20, 10, 20, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 plus 5 equals 25. So I know my answer is 25. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same thing but with the expanded method. So let's do 73 expanded is 70 plus 3. 48 expanded is 40 plus 8. But I'm taking away. Make sure you remember that we're subtracting. So right here we have a problem. 3 minus 8. If I have 3 and I try to take away 8, I don't have enough. So I have to come over and borrow some from the 70. I'm going to take 10 from the 70. 70 minus 10 is 60. And I'm going to move the 10 over here. Well, I already have a 3 right here. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Now I'm going to take away 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 60 take away 40. If you don't know how to do that in your head, you would do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, take away 10, 20, 30, 40, and I see I have 20 left over. 20 plus 5 equals 25. So our answer is 25. You are now going to do problems 3 and 4 on your own. And when you're done, you can check your answer with the answer key. But if you get stuck along the way, you can rewind the video and watch it again, or you can look at your notes to see how that might help you fix your problem. All right, thanks guys.